टेप आउट मिटिंगेक they ask for कितें increase करपाक लायक कॅन्टीन आहा तें वो कितें आमी वस्तू विकताय त्यो both for international and domestic tourists. They are increasing. Another 160 square meters have been given for domestic and 200 square meters have been given for international. So more better arrangement and extra arrangement will be made. Some people suggested, because sometimes the flights are delayed, Zantelank मातशें relax जावपाक. They wanted like armchairs or like for sleeping. So that also arrangement will be made. And other things, whatever, normal things.
Sir, regarding the illumination and फुडल्यान रस्तो मातसो पेड्यार जालोलो आहा तेजेर पैकी डिस्कशन जालो आहा.
They कोत्ताय न्ही. These are going on. That also nobody raised, but we have already discussed. And they कोत्ताय illumination.
Sir,
who is in charge?
Sir, long pending car parking. तेजेर पैकी डिस्कस जाला sir.
They are increasing. Koltuka. We that thing increase kottat. As far as police and all are concerned, kitkun they manage kochi. That we have discussed, and we have called police. On
Sir, illegal parking होता है rent a cab being a parking होता है.
No, that's why it has been brought to their notice, and I have called DYSP on a certain day. He'll meet the director, and they will sort it out here.
Sir, as a South Goa MP, you've been very vocal that Goa Airport should do very well and function well. After the advisory meeting, are you really convinced? What is your message to the people?
My message to the people is, some people spread the news that this will be closed, something will happen. Up to now, it is functioning better than what is to function. One point. Second thing, nobody has to even think that anything will happen to this airport. We have seen how the airport has improved for the last few years, and it is to remain.
वो एयरपोर्ट जो आहा दाबोलीचो तो सदांच उरतलो. Sardin Babu as MP has already told us that you don't worry about it. हांवें तांकां सांगलें की आमी खूब मार्केट करतात because this is marketing is also required to keep it. तर आमी सुद्दां मार्केटिंग करतात की हांवें आतां म्हज्या कंपनीक सांगलां किंवा म्हज्या सगळ्या क्रूक सांगलां की तुमी मोपा थ्रू वचचे ना, तुमी दाबोली थ्रू वतले आनी तुमी मोपा थ्रू जर गेले जाल्यार तुमकां TA दिवचो ना म्हणून. Like Vasco to Mopa, you have to spend money. So this is what is very important, that we are hope. We have been told that Daboli will always remain. That is very good news. बाकी जे सजेशन्स आम्ही दिल्या पहिली दिल्ले ते इम्प्लिमेंट झाल्यात. आता नवे सजेशन दिल्यात ते त्यांचं करता म्हटलं. We are happy.